This is one of my biggest pet peeves, and it's because it could be hurting you. You could be losing money if you continue to do this. So looking at last month's data, I sold 41 tops and I sold 8 bags. Tops is where I should continue to buy. But here's the problem. If you stop here and say, hey, I sold 41 tops, this is my top selling category, this is where you're hurting yourself. And I'm going to show you guys why. So there's a little bit more to it than just saying, hey, I sold a lot of tops. Tops is my top selling category. I should continue to buy tops, because you have to look at how many you have available. If you're selling a lot of items simply because you have a lot of items, you could be just buying more stuff that's going to sit and not sell. Not only is it wasting your time and money, it's taking up inventory space from things that are actually going to sell. Before we get into what you guys should actually be doing instead of this, if you want to learn how to make money reselling, guaranteed ways that are going to work because it's based off of your numbers, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Save this video for future reference. If you found value in this video, other people probably will as well. So make sure to share it on your social media and tag me, Sarah Styles LLC. And this is why you should be looking at it like this. If you look at how many you've sold out of how many you have available. So here you can see that I have 472 tops available. So I'm not selling tops that well. I've only sold 8% of my tops, where my bags, yes, I only sold 8 of them. However, 11% of them have sold. I am selling a larger percent of my bags than I am of my tops. And if you go one step further into your unsold inventory, you can see that I have 431 tops that are not sold. I only have 59 bags that are not sold. My bags are performing better because I am buying bags that people actually want. A larger percentage of my bag is selling. My tops, I'm selling a lot of them simply because I'm buying a lot that are sitting around, and I'm wasting my time listing. I'm wasting my time sourcing. I'm wasting my money buying tops when they're simply not selling. And this is where your sell-through rate comes in. This is exactly what sell-through rate is. If you've ever wondered what sell-through rate is, why it's important, this is one of the main factors and one of the reasons why that is the metrics that I look at. Not quantity sold, how many is selling out of how many that you have. So sell-through rate is going to be, here is the formula, you guys can figure it out. You're looking at a percentage. The higher the percentage, the better that category is performing. This is the Sarah Styles Sales and Trends dashboard. Links are down below. One of the charts in here is my profit chart for my categories, and you can see my sell-through rate is one of the metrics that I look at, not my quantity sold. You can see the bubble. The larger the bubble, the more inventory that I have. So right here, my tops, I have 472 tops. It is down in this bottom corner. That means it is one of my lower performing. It has a lower sell-through rate and a lower average profit. Up here, the further up you go, you're going to have a higher sell-through rate. So of what you have, more is selling and a higher average sale price. And you can see my bags are up here as one of my top performing categories. So before you decide what is really performing well and where you want to spend your time and money, I really want to caution you to look at your sell-through rates. Save this video so that you can come back and use the formula. If you don't want to do the math, the Sarah Styles Sales and Trends dashboard is for sale. It does all of the math for you and just gives you these metrics and considerations to help you make the strategic decisions and spend your time and money wisely. If you like this video, YouTube also thinks you liked this video. I will link a playlist here of how to make money reselling, strategies that are guaranteed to work because it's based off of your numbers, how to look at them to use your time and money wisely, and then make sure to hit that subscribe button.